So this video is about how to scrap URLs and titles from Google search. So okay, so this is how we'll do. First we have to uh, type our keywords. Suppose TTV for Windows. We find out the keyword. Then we have to find out we have to change the location from here. So what we'll do is we go to the settings. We set up the limit to 50. And we go to the region settings and we select the location United States. The location depends on the keyword search, also where the most searches are coming from. So this location is still. So what we have to do is we have to block the location for Google. So that's our first. Now we have blocked the location. We'll again go to the location. Okay, yeah. So location is blocked. We'll check once again. Yeah, location is blocked. We again go to the Google search. This time we'll type, see which location comes in. Okay. So location is changed. So now what we have to do is we have to scrap the URLs. We are using this extension data miner. So before using this extension, we have to sign up for this extension. We sign in with our google.com account. So we have signed in to the extension. Okay, go back to the google.com search. So now we click on the Google search results, get all links. We click on this double play button. So here now we'll see how many pages we have. So we again go to the pages. We again click on the data miner extension. We'll again click on the double play button, scrap page. We go to the third page. So we again go to the extension. We'll scrape all the pages till the end. So we again click on it. So there is one more page. We again go to the data miner. So we have scrapped all the 4 pages. Now we'll click on the extension. Click on the number of the rows we have collected, and from there we download it and click on copy to clipboard. First we have to allow it. Okay, so it is copied. Then we'll create a new spreadsheet in Google Docs. We pasted the data. We gave it a name. We'll give it a name. Then description, we do not need any description, so we'll delete that. Okay. Then we delete this blank row 2. Okay. We also delete the titles because we need to okay, so now we'll see if there is any duplicate URLs. So we can remove the duplicate URLs from here, from Google suggestions. Okay, we can also click here and data to remove duplicates if there are any duplicates. So 2 duplicates were found and removed. Okay, so this is how we scrape the URLs and titles from google.com search.